G'day chefs and welcome back to another cooking adventure. My name is Dale and today we're making a decadent yet simple, no fuss treat. Rumballs from scratch. These little bites of heaven will use the Wacky cake recipe, which has no eggs, butter or milk. It is perfect for anyone looking for a delicious, plant-based, moist and flavorful rumball. Let's get into it. If you want to see the cake or the conversion into rumballs only, then check out the shorter videos available on my channel. Starting with the Wacky cake, we have two methods. 1. Using mixing bowls to combine the ingredients, or 2. Dumping everything into the cake tin and giving it a quick mix. In a large bowl, combine and whisk together the flour, cocoa powder, baking soda and salt. Giving it a thorough mix. Don't forget the sugar, which can be added before whisking the dry ingredients. Next, add the water, vegetable oil, vinegar, and finally the vanilla extract. Mix until just combined and try not to overmix. Pour the batter into a lined and greased 25 by 25 centimeter square cake tin and bake in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Next method, you can dump most of the ingredients straight into a greased and lined 9 by 13 inch cake tin. Here we have all the dry ingredients: flour, cocoa powder, sugar, baking soda and salt. Give it a quick stir so that the baking soda is well incorporated and won't react to the acid too quickly. Next, add the wet ingredients. These can be added directly to the tin, but here I had them set up ready to go. Mix until a batter just comes together. Bake in a preheated oven at 175 degrees Celsius for 20 to 25 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. Let the cake cool completely before the next step. Crumble the cooled cake into a large bowl or use the cake tin that it was cooked in. Add the sweetened coconut condensed milk to the crumbled cake. I'm using a pre-boiled can for a stronger caramelized coconut flavor. Next, add the rum and mix well until a dough forms. Roll the dough into small balls and coat them in toasted shredded coconut. You can use a measure if you like. These would be approximately a half tablespoon measure. Keep portioning, rolling, and coating the rumballs until no mix remains. Store the rumballs in an airtight container in the fridge. I personally find that bringing them back to room temperature before serving greatly improves the flavour. The flavour also improves as they mature over a few days. That is, if you can hold off eating them too quickly. Happy holidays. Thank you so much for watching today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more delicious recipes.